Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Tourism has a very important part where taxi has a major role to play as far as tourism sector is concerned. तांकां जी इनसेक्युरिटी आसा की ॲप आयलो जाल्यार कितें जातलें आज आमी म्हणटा वी आर गिविंग यू अ ॲप विच इज युअर ॲप गोवा टॅक्सी ॲप इज युअर ॲप विच यू वील हॅव यू वील ओन इट वी वील ओनली रन इट फॉर यू आनी जे कितें ताजें येता एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफीट वील बी गिवन बॅक टू देम ओनली whether it's North Goa Association, South Goa Association, Yellow or Black Taxis, everybody let it have their own app. That is what they had asked for. We are giving them the same thing. So, जो app आता आम्ही घेऊन येता Transport Department launch करता ambitiously on 19th of December. I think we will be able to give Goa a app which will take care of our Goa taxi fellows who always have been feeling की आणि किती हडला काय म्हणून.
टॅक्सीवाल्यांच्या संघटनेचो ॲपाक विरोध सरकार खंय आनीक एक स्कॅम करून नीज गोंयकारांचो धंदो बंद उडोवंक सोदता.
ह्या पयलीं येयल्लें कितें गोवा मायल्स म्हणून येयलें तेजें आयज तेजें कांयच कायदेशीर ना तशें हें बेकायदेशीर हाडून ही आपली पोळी भाजूंक सोदता इतलेंच म्हाका म्हणपाक तेज्या वेरीक जायते तेंच्यांनी स्कॅमां केलीं आतां हें तिसरें स्कॅम.
नीज गोंयकार टॅक्सीकार खंयचेच कोणूच हे एपाक जॉयन जावचो ना. सरकार फक्त आमचेर खंयतरी आरोप घालून ह्यो बिझनस सोंपोवन प्रायवेट प्लेयर आनी एग्रिगेटराच्या हातीन दिवंक सोदता फक्त आपले कमिशन घेवंक जाय म्हणून.
ह्या एपा खातीर स्वता तुमी क्रिएट करता आनी एप हो घालता पळय लोकांचे पयशे नाका थंय तुमी यूज करता पळय हे बऱ्या गजाली खातीर यूज करात.
हळडणचो आमदार म्हणटा ॲप लोकांक बऱ्याक पडटा जाल्यार कोणूच नाका म्हणचो ना.
We have to see many things about these app, how it is being done, who is developing it, what are the modalities, what are the functions, what are the features. So it's very premature for me to make a statement. And if there is an app, if sometimes it helps not only the taxi drivers, the taxi owners, also the tourists and people like us, I may not even take my car to places.
Bureau Report, Prudent.